Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is an English for grade 5, and we are learning unit number 11, and its title is Pari Mahal. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You should get it and provide it to your students in printed form. Otherwise, you can follow it same as it. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 2, we will learn about simile, how we can compare different things. Before in English for grade 5, my dear students, already you will have learned about adjectives. So I hope you have remembered it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. And today we are going to learn further, analyze and use analogies and more similes in speech and writing using like and as dash as. So today we are going to get about this. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Nur, verse number 35, Allah is the light of the heavens and the earth. Subhanallah, my dear students, this is a beautiful comparison of Allah's light. Allah is the light of the heavens and the earth. It means the whole light that we are seeing on this world in the shape of stars, in the shape of sun, moon. So this whole light is comparing to the Almighty Allah. It's due to the light of Allah's Almighty. Okay, Allah Almighty, it's His light that we are able to see different things in this world. Okay, so this is a beautiful comparison, my dear students. So be ready. Here is a brainstorming question for you. How you will compare? How do you compare different things by using like and as? Discuss with your classmates. You have to discuss with your classmates that how you compare different things using like or as. Pause the video and perform this activity in your class. Good job, my dear students. I hope you have compared and discussed a lot. Good. Let's see what is a simile. Simile is a word that compares two different things using the word like or as. My dear students, while using simile, when we compare different things, so we use two words like or as. So when we find these two words, so we can get that this is a simile. Examples you can see. Swimmers swim like a fish. Okay. So how we can say swimmers are not a fish, my dear students. So but we are comparing why we are due to swimming, because they swim quickly through the water. They remain in water and they swim quickly. That's why we are comparing swimmers with fish. Got it? Next is don't cry like a baby. Okay. So you are not a baby, but as we get that babies also sometimes cry in this way. So this is like, we have used here like. So this is a simile by the using of like. Got it? There is a comparison. Asad is as wise as an owl. Okay, so Asad is as wise as an owl. So it means Asad is not an owl, my dear students. Which thing is common between them? Yes, their wisdom. Okay, due to their wisdom we have compared Asad with owl. Have you got that? Good. Next is I am as solid as a rock. Okay, so he is not a rock, my dear students. But what is the both in common? Both things, yes, there is their power, okay, their strength. Due to strength that we have compared that I am as solid as a rock. Have you got that? This is the way how we can compare. Like while comparing things using as, then we have to keep as before adjective and after a noun. Okay, where we have to keep as and before, you can see Asad is as wise as an owl. Got it? Wise is an adjective and owl is an noun. Got it? While comparing thing, first we will keep as adjective, as noun. Got it? That in this way we will compare. But when we are using like, what we have to do? We have to put adjective before like. Same like swimmers swim like a fish. Got it? There is a verb and now noun is there. Swimmers swim like a fish. There is no adjective. Just we have to use here noun. So now it's time to move an activity. Let's see that. You have to call students one by one near the board. Write 5 or 6 sentences using similes to describe themselves. Like, my hair is as yellow like the sun, or I am as brave as a lion, etc. Engage whole class in this activity and enjoy this funny activity. Judge how students compare themselves. Encourage students to perform confidently in their class. Got it, my dear teacher? Now you will enjoy this funny activity. You will call students and they will compare them and their qualities using similes. Got it? So pause the video and perform this activity in your class. Welcome back. Good job. So here is question number 6, 7 and 8 is there on your book, page number 92. So pause the video and read out that questions carefully and then fill up these blanks. Pause the video and do this activity on your book. Good job. I hope you have done it because all were related with simile. So what is an analogy? An analogy is a comparison between two things, and the comparison is used to determine the relationship between different sets of things. There is also a comparison, but it's two related things, my dear teachers and my dear students. This is also being used for a comparison when we compare two things but two set of things. Got it? Related things. How? See there. You can see rose is to flower as blue is to color. As we can say that what is a rose? Rose is a flower. So it means these two things are closely related. Got it? And blue is a color. Color. What is blue? Blue is a color. Definitely. So these two words are also related to each other. Two sets of things. Got it? Two things are in one set. Is it clear? We can say them set of things. Like father is to mother as uncle is to aunt. Got it, my dear students? Are you getting? Next one. Bark is to dog as meow is to cat. Okay, bark is to dog. What is the voice of dog? Dogs are barking. And how cat is giving sound? Cat is mewing. Got it? In is to out as up is to down. These are two closely related things and two sets of things. So such type of examples are called analogies. Got it? Like classes to students. Is it clear? Like we can say hat is to head. We are using hat on head. So definitely two related things. Is it clear? So here is on page number 92 and 93. Question number 9 is there. You have to complete each analogy using a word from the word box. So pause the video and perform this activity on your book. Good job, my dear students. I hope you have done it because it was so easy activity. Like car is to road as boat is to, yes, water. Got it. Good job. So what's your homework? You have to write 10 sentences of similes like and as in your notebook. You have to make 10 sentences. Yes, my dear teacher, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should provide it to your students in printed form and say them they should fill up all these blanks using simile. So what we have learned today? Today we learned how we can compare two different things using similes like and as. We also learned about analogy. We learned to compare things to show their relationships. And in this way we have covered up our this SLO. So my dear students, I hope today you have got that how we can compare different things and how we can compare two sets in a different way. Got it, my dear students? So I hope you today's lecture you have enjoyed a lot. So tomorrow with a new lecture we will meet soon inshallah. Till that time stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.